everyone, welcome back to the channel. Going to go over the recent update we got on the Tesla Model X. This includes the Dashcam viewer on the screen. It's kind of neat. I'm pretty sure most people have it by now. The folks that don't, we'll go over some of the features that it offers. It's pretty cool. You're probably going to hear a little satire, so just bear with me. Got my notes here. Okay, here we go. Yep, got my notes. If you like the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell notification. Share the channel. There's Patreon. What else is there going on here? There's PayPal. Anyway, just throw money. That'll be good. That's about it on all the satire. All joking aside, let's get to it. All right, so the first thing we're going to look at is the release notes. One of the things rather interesting is Tesla listens to their customers. This has been one of the features that everyone was looking forward to. They complained, I believe, ever since Sentry mode came out. So what this offers is you can watch saved Dashcam clips or Sentry mode events directly from the touchscreen with the Dashcam viewer. To launch, tap the Dashcam icon in the status bar and select Launch Viewer. I can continue reading, but I'm pretty sure other YouTube channels have done all that for you. And there's the out of order supercharge stalls. That works quite well. Yesterday when we were looking at the superchargers, we noticed that there's one here in Baton Rouge that shows one stall out of order. Yeah, for the most part, that's normal. But this is how we're gaining access to the Dashcam viewer. First off, you notice that HAL 9001 is gone.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
Accessing the viewer is by touching the camera, and then you'll see that there's a couple of different options now. So normally you only had the option to save footage, but now you have the option to launch viewer. So launch and viewer, what the options are is you have the right camera that you can bring to the front, rear camera, left camera, and it gives you the option to move the slider forward and backwards. For the most part, it's pretty robust. And when you're done viewing your footage, you have the option to select the trash can, and then you have the verification if you want to delete the footage or not. So once you're done viewing, then you just hit the X and all that goes away. So one of the things I wanted to verify is, with the car in drive, are you able to view your Dashcam footage? So if we select the camera icon, we notice that we only have the option to save Dashcam footage. And it does state that the car must be in park to view. With the car back in park, we select the camera icon, and then we're given the option to save the footage or launch the viewer. Just did a save clip before we put the car in reverse. What's rather interesting is, as you're watching the Dashcam video, it actually feels like the car is going backwards. So there you have it. Probably wasn't the best demonstration of the Dashcam viewer, but remember, this video was all about satire. Until next time,